Hello friends, welcome to our channel Knowledge Amplifier, and in this particular video I am going to show you one very interesting application of image thresholding. Okay, so for this particular demonstration purpose I have taken one image from internet. If you just simply observe, you can clearly understand this is one white color object. Okay, basically this is one recycled paper. Okay, handmade recycled paper image I have taken from internet. Now, if you closely observe carefully, you can find out some hidden texture which is not that much clearly visible, okay, present in this image. We can extract this kind of hidden feature easily using our thresholding technique, okay. So as the paper is mostly looking white, so if you take very high threshold value, then our hidden texture will come up, okay, because those parts which are comparatively darker than other region will be highlighted. Okay, so what I have done, I have not used any for loop or any looping technique, neither I have used inbuilt function im to bw or im binarize. I am simply using one comparison operator x greater than 240. What it will do, it will give one value as logical output if it is satisfying this 240 condition, otherwise 0 if it is not satisfying that. As simple as that. Okay, and let me just run this particular part of the code and see how beautifully the hidden texture is present in our this particular handmade recycled paper image is coming up. Okay, you can clearly see, so obviously you can understand this object is not completely white. So this kind of hidden texture extraction from image, okay, can be easily achieved using thresholding, and this is a very important research area also. So I hope you have understood this concept. This is all for this video. Thank you for watching.